What's up, YouTube? Behind the bars coming at ya. Shit, I'm in the air. So, this is my first couple of tries with my drone. So I thought I'd take you for a little fly and we'll see where we're going. I'll shoot over the creek. But yeah, I've got 9 experience points flying this drone, so yeah, I'm not all that experienced. But yeah, we're over the creek. We're on the side of the creek now around my place, but just going to show you around the area of where I live. Get a little bit of elevation here. I'm up about 30 metres now, 30-40 metres. Climbing. So that's up into the Hogarth Range, up on Cambridge Plateau, up in the far distance there. So I'm filming at 4K in 30 frames a second. So hopefully this comes out okay. And I'm about 400 metres away from where I'm sitting. And I'm just flying it off my Samsung phone. But yeah, these things are super duper cool. I'm so impressed with it. It's unreal. But yeah, as you can see, sort of the general area of where I live. So what am I heading up to now? I'm about 70 metres in the air. I'll give you a bit of a look around the valley.